We're doing 2019 Leaf Metal Draft, 2 box, 2 random teams, 2 random last name letter break number 2. Right now we're going to do the random. So first up, we got to do the random to see who's going to get the extra letter. Top spot on this random, same dice roll for all randoms. We're going 2 and a 2 4 times, so top spot on 4 gets an extra letter. 4 times, Brett gets the extra letter. I mean, obviously you can imagine, like, S has a whole bunch of players. W has a whole bunch of players. So there's some good ones. And then obviously, in addition to that, you want, M for Murray, H for Haskins, etc. All right, Brett there gets an extra spot. We'll mark that one with an asterisk so we can see where the extra spot lands. All right, random up on the names, then a random on the letters. Good luck, everybody. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 4 times we got Brett up, JB down. Brett up, JB down 4 times. Here we go on the letters 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 4 times we got G down to F. G down to F. That was on 4. That was on 4. That was on 4. And that's a 2 and a 2. All right, let's go ahead and sort this via the letters. Haskins, Matt, M, Chef Sam, S, Cards, W, Eric. Whoops. Did I have it like this whenever we were breaking the other one? I think so. All right. Leave it like this. All right. I'm just gonna grab these next 2 right in the line here. All right, here we go, fellas. Good luck, everybody. First up, Kyle Kemp, Iowa State, K spot, beer with a K. That's just the base wave, not numbered. Then we got blue wave, Tillery, Notre Dame, Jerry Tillery, T spot, 7 out of 20. Jackson, I forget where this guy's from. 34 out of 35 for the J spot. Then we got a little 101 action. Who is this? Oh, Williams. 101 magenta plate, W spot. Eric with the 101 printing plate. The printing plates are sticker, which is weird, but what is he doing? Is he like drawing stuff in there? And Daniel Jones, Duke. There's a lot of like mixed feelings about this guy in the draft with like the analysts and stuff. J spot is Eric. Eric with the J spot. Daniel Jones from Duke. Some people say high first round. He could be a, people are sleeping on him right now. Other people are saying, he's going to get drafted, fairly high for what he is, but first round seems out of range. But other people think first round. I don't know. That might be one to hold on to. Daniel Jones. That was the first box. Second box. Dust everywhere. Homer, Travis Homer, H spot, Matt with the H spot, base wave. Pink Kyle Schumer. 7 out of 20. I don't know too much about this guy either. Irv Smith Jr. going out to the S spot. Cards 88. State Pride. Numbered 9 out of 15. Ooh, we got something nice coming up, fellas. Then we got a little Jordan Humphrey. H spot. Matt with the H spot. Little Jordan Humphrey redemption. That's a nice one. And how about this right here, fellas? How about a little purple Dwayne Haskins? Nice. On card. Going out to the H spot. Matt with the H spot killed it. 2 out of 25 Haskins. They load these down, fellas. They load these. They know over at Leaf that they got to load this stuff up. This stuff's loaded. Haskins, H spot purple, 2 out of 25. 2019 Leaf Draft 2-box. Number 2. And that's not just like there's one big hit in these cases and it's all over. I'm telling you, it's far from that. If anyone remembers our Leaf Valiant case, just hit after hit. Haskins, purple, on card, H spot, hell yeah.